Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made us in the form of our father Adam alayhi salam, and it is the most beautiful of all forms. خَلَقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ بِالْحَقِّ. He created the heavens and the earth in truth. وَصَوَّرَكُمْ فَأَحْسَنَ صُوَرَكُمْ. And He formed you and perfected your forms. So we should never feel discontent or unhappy with our shape, form or appearance. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is almusawwir, the one who fashioned each one of us perfectly and intentionally according to His wisdom. This is why it is prohibited to alter one's natural appearance, because this is showing displeasure to almusawwir, the one who gave you your exact form, and He does not make mistakes. Now, striving to be healthier and fitter and stronger, this is encouraged through proper diet and exercise. But wanting to change your skin tone or your facial structure, body proportions, or undergoing plastic surgery for the sake of appearance, all of these acts are rooted in rejecting Allah as al-musawwir. To accept yourself is to accept the work of al-musawwir, and to reject that is to reject His wisdom. So the next time you stand in a mirror, contemplate on your outer form and then say, فَتَبَارَكَ اللَّهُ أَحْسَنُ الْخَالِقِينَ. So blessed is Allah, the best of creators.